Hello! In this video I will show you how to install Firefox browser on REALME GT 70. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Firefox. Now click search and click install. Now you can click open and then click agree and continue, and here you can choose your default browser and then click cancel. Now you can add Firefox widget, or you can click not now, and here you can sign into your Firefox account, or you can click not now. And now you can turn on notifications from this browser, or you can click the now again. And here you can select your theme, or you can just click save and continue, and you can pick turbo placement or click save and continue again. And as you can see, my Firefox browser is now installed and is ready to use. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.